everyone, the hand is not properly drawn. Hand should be wide, as I said. It should be wide also this way, and the length is how much? How much is the palm size? Same is the size of the fingers. The fingers and the palm size should be same. So once again with me, and it should be broad. If you can see here, it's a broad one. So just make for that the position I said. This is our center line. Just below the center line, there is a slanting line like this. It's not a square, it is rectangle. This line is little bit bigger than the sleeping slanting line, this one. Now whatever size you have taken, just go up and drop a point in the center. Because yes?
Ma'am, can you just see it's from the hand?
Just wait till first completed, then the thing is, first make this rectangle, take the size of the rectangle and go up and drop the line.
Ma'am, we've drawn the hand in the last class.
Oh, but it is not right. Everyone's hand is not right, that's why. This will be the center part. What I said, this size, the palm size and the fingers are of same size. Check it in your, whether both are of same size. And the thumb is touching the this. It is not going out. It's a closed hand like this. It's not going out. Okay. Once you have done, very simple. Now here, this is the middle finger will be the maximum size, that is equal to your palm size. Okay. And the hand is, we are going to do hand also in our study. The hand, thumb is always a U shape. So how you are going to make this? From here, just start from, go almost half of the finger size and make a U and come with a curve and join to the down part. Four fingers on this area, so small pinky finger, come down, go up, the ring finger, and then will be the center one, which will be of the same size. Now give a shape, that is U shape. start making the legs.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, Arohi, it is okay. Make little bit thumb outside, yeah. Yeah, Iraira, it is okay. Pragati, it is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Dhruvi, your fingers are looking small. I don't know why, but fingers are looking small. The size of the fingers and the size of the palm, the fingers size are small.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes. Sure. Okay. No, just Una. Yeah, it is okay.
Ma'am, what about the eyes?
Eye is okay. I've checked, only the hand was having a problem and everyone's this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
excuse me, ma'am, can you just see this?
Yes. Yeah, it is okay. Sanskrit. Now to start with, the hand rest on the leg. So first make the ornament, or normally we put the garments also sometime. So nothing but a rectangle and a circle down. And from here we'll shape the leg. Though the ovals are there, 2 ovals are there. Now it is touching. Go give a outer curve, little bit out of the oval.
Ma'am, I just joined, so what should we do?
Follow me. Okay, and then on the leg there is a S curve. And coming in the center, because this position will tell the legs. Now my S has come little bit inside, so the leg will come from here with the line. So the S position will decide the leg. You can just erase and see the oval from this side. Don't erase this side oval. We'll make the dhoti patterns, the folds of dhoti on that. Erase this line. Now, how is the leg? Leg is just a trapezium. That is, here the width is less, here a little bit more. The small finger the ear is less, here it is more. Now leave this part like that only, we'll shape this and then we will make the folds of the whole dhoti. Before going that, we'll make the hand. Now see, where the hand is there, it's on top of this knee here and it is coming little bit inside the stomach and going outside touching the ear. So what is the shape? It's an open hand carrying the laddu or whatever prasad has been kept. So it's a open arc, like a bowl. It's an open arc, close one. So from here, don't touch it to your knee, just little bit above, because again in hand there is a garment or the ornament.
Ma'am, can you please move that black and white print down?
It's almost, I think, 4 centimeter wide. So this has become small. I'm just checking the end to end. Yeah, but there's almost 4 centimeter. More than that also it might be. Okay, to start with, first is the small finger. Give a curve, little bit curve, because the hand is folded like this. So what will happen, you will have, means it is open but it is folded from here, a curve from here and a stretch from here, sideways, like this. So, go on the top, give a curve, come into this, then the center finger, just give a curve, come down, and then the just give a wide arc and draw the thumb. And just reshape the hand properly. The curve is not proper. My curve is not proper here. I have erased it and I have given a curve. The fingers are little bit outside curve, like this. But just hold on. I feel the hand is shifted little bit this side. Yeah. Wait. Little bit inside it has to come. The ear will also change. That's why I said now the shape will depend on the hand what we are doing. So the hand is a little bit shifted inside. I draw it. And then shift the yes. Now it is okay. Go on mute. So the ear will come little bit this side.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I'm not able to make the hand.
it's like a boomerang. That is, make one curve first. Okay, and if you join it this way, just join like this. This is the simple way. Can you see? And make your fingers inside it. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes? Clear to everyone? The bits. First, below that, it's the circle.
Yes.
Done? Yes, done till here? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Ma'am, from that, we also are floating to make that.
Which one?
Ma'am, the hand part.
See, just make this part. Okay? From this, go up and make a arc like this. You can see a hockey stick. If I increase this size, it becomes a hockey stick. Hockey stick is like this. Wider the ear when you come inside, and then it goes like that. So first make the arc this way. Then go on top, go wide and come inside to make a and sign to it.
Ma'am, can you see mine and tell me what's wrong, because I think something is wrong.
Thumb has this curve has to come. This curve is not there. This one. Here now. This curve is not there.
Oh.
Yes. Kushi done. Arohi okay. Kushi.
Ma'am, don't tell yet.
Yes, very good. Drizzling, very good. Iraira, very good. Amira, Shubhi.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, very good, Amira. Yes. Pragati, where is the hand? Show me. You have taken it up, I think so. Bring it near. Okay, it is okay. Shivani, very good, Shivani.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now for the results. Yeah, I forgot to tell. Last time results, everyone is the winner. It's not. It doesn't mean that the person who has got the. Yes. Go on. Show. 1 second. Part the hand has not spread. If it is spread, it becomes this much. At least it spreads. Our own hand, if you can see. That's why I said that this size is around 4 and more than that. Just check it out. From this point to this point, it should be at least 4 centimeter. I've taken a measurement with the help of this. As I said, this is 2 centimeters, so it has become twice of it. That's why it is 4 centimeter. I said. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Very good, Vedika. Yes. So everyone is the winner. Those who have got 20 out of 20, they have done the best. Out of that, the teachers have selected the artwork. 2 have got it. 1 is for the creativity, because the lips was only a single element. So the creativity was considered in that. It's not that every time it is considered, but the creativity was considered. And second thing is the consistency, how consistently the artwork is being done, how what was the progress and all that. That is, the creativity goes to Dhruvi and consistency goes to Drizzling, because every teacher knows Drizzling. From last 1.5 years, she is there with us and she works hard. Everyone knows that. What she was earlier, she herself will be knowing that, and what now she is. But that is her dedication. So that she has done best. That is no reveal. But her dedication has given her gift. And it is not that those who have not received gift, that, or those who have received 19 points also, they are not winners. It's not like that. All of you who has completed the artwork, be careful. I said who has completed the artwork are the winners. Only the gift has to be given. Every time the first, second, third number has to be announced, like that the gift has been circulated. Okay? This will come with the artwork. It's not that we are going to continue with this. Any one artwork, when I'll say, same will be continued for next artwork. Sure? Okay, we'll go now. We'll continue. When the festival is there this year make a ornament here for the west circles, so that we'll be able to make a. When you submit the portfolio for the festival, here, there only, not the creativity. There are 5 points considered there. That is how you behave in your class, how consistently you complete your artwork. Everything is considered there. That has been noted down. You feel that it is not there, but whatever recording has been done, it has been watched by the teachers. Okay? Now, for this side, yes?
Ma'am, the part that we do on the neck, this one we have to erase it.
Which one? This one? No. First we'll make the dhoti and then we'll erase it. Now, if you see, here the dhoti was coming slanting with the leg because it was attached. But here, the flow is downwards. Why? Because the leg is little bit curved with it. So, how you are going to go? With the hand, just go Rest up. Now from where the center point, the leg is crossing the center point, from there just come here, the other leg starts. So before making the leg, you are going to give a S curve joining to this part. Straight line coming down. Now this is not required. This is also not required. First make the leg same as it is wide as it goes away. Come towards your center point and make the finger, small finger, then next to it, then the third one, next to the two, big toe, and there is one more award which we don't this. If you get consistently 20 out of 20 in artwork, I think Pragati, you have got it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This everyone can achieve. If you get consistently 20 out of 20 in your artwork for 5 artworks, you will be awarded. You can remind me that time, because normally if I keep accounts of everything, but it might miss from my side. Okay. Now just give the folds center. First in the center, both sides. Give a curve. Same comes now this side. I'll just erase this part. Only thing, I'll give a curve from inner side. I can see this curve. One, almost done. You start coloring. Little bit outside, I'll give a little bit outer curve.
Ma'am, this is an easier drawing than before.
Okay. Now, on both the sides, from here. Just uneven. I'm making it. Okay.
Ma'am, can you remove your paper?
Swastik. So swastik will be parallel to this line. Whatever, if you have made a straight line, your swastik will come straight. So how to make a swastik is, first make a plus sign. Double lines up, everything will be double line. First make the plus, cross, whatever you say. This line, standing line, will be almost parallel to this one. The side line, can you see? The side line is parallel to this edges. Okay, start from clockwise. Always swastik starts from clockwise. That is, this side you are going to make the, how to make it is, if just go out and join it to make it like this shape. Just join it. Then come the downwards, clockwise. This is the second one. Then comes the third one.
Ma'am?
Yes, and then the fourth one. Yes, Arish?
Ma'am, that plot, I can't understand how to make it.
What?
The cloth which you made.
Which one? This
Ma'am.
one? This or this? Yes?
This one, the one which
This one?
No, the pant.
This one? Dhoti?
Dhoti.
Yeah. Just another. Where is yours? Show me yours. You'll have to make one circle here. This is flat, but this is down on the earth. It is coming straight downwards, and then gives a curve. As per our, we had this. So there. Show me yours. I'll tell you. Yes.
Ma'am?
Okay. Now see, Arish, come
Yes.
down like this. First, straight. This side. Draw, Arish.
Okay.
This is your hand now. Just come. I'll show you the simple this marking. Come down here, and from here just give a arc and join it there.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes. Just 1 minute. Make this, then you can shoot. The swastik here, double line is there. Done, Arish?
Ma'am, I made a circle now. What?
Show me. What you made? Circle.
No, that's oval or that.
Yeah, so now from here, center, give a curve, join it here. Then the second one, which will come and just end it here. And then only 3 folds, like this. Done. One fold is coming this side and one fold is coming this side.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
gives a texture. Okay? A parallel line to this here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
There is a lot of space between the ear and the hand.
Which one? What?
There is a lot of space between the ear and the hand.
Show me. your this hand is become very small. You'll have to make it big. Okay. Now, if there is space, let it be, no problem. There, we are going to now here, there is a shape which will come like this. So, here it is a plane. This is the shape will come that way. Only thing, just increase your, the hand is small. Yes, Vedika. Done.
One second, ma'am, I'm just making a double line.
Okay. Now, this swastik will follow this curve. That is, just make plus with this curve.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, just hold on. Go clockwise. Dots will do it. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you get that paper aside?
So to better.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes. Everyone show me. Done. Very good, Vedika. Yes, Iraira. Iraira, this hand is looking small, comparably. Very good, Arui. Arui, is this hand measuring 4 centimeter like this wide? Yes, drizzling. Drizzling, these fingers have not come properly. It has come down like this. It has come a straight line. It's a slanting one. Just check it out.
Is it measuring as 4 centimeters? It's measuring as 2 centimeters.
No, wide. This wide from this point to here. Is at least 3.5 or yes, it is 4 centimeter.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes. Very good, Pradeep. Yes.
Okay,
Drizzling.
ma'am.
Yeah, very good, drizzling. Iraira. Okay, this hand is small. Amira, show me. Done?
Yes, ma'am, just 1 minute.
Okay,
Ma'am, which hand is small?
this one. Yes, Shivani, show me. Very nice, Shivani. Okay,
Ma'am, can you see my?
yes, once. Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, everyone's. 1 second, just hold on. Very good, Dhruvi. Dhruvi, this leg, show me this leg. No, you'll have to increase the size of it. This leg is outside, this is inside. You have made reverse. The right side is small, the left side is coming out. This is inside and this is outside. This you'll have to increase, this leg. Yes, Parth, show me.
Ma'am, now is it fine?
Yes, Aru, it is fine. Yes. Parth, very good. Yes, done. Everyone showed me. Yeah, Amira, Krisha, show me. Very good, Iraira.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we didn't draw this turban kind of thing.
What?
this turban of Ganesh.
Now, just draw the ornaments.
Ma'am,
Here. Yes.
we didn't draw the turban.
Yeah, wait. Once. Turban, na? Yes. Everyone first show me fast. Make this. And just make 2 lines and then give the circular bits effect to it separate. I'm making 2 lines and leaving it like that. With the pencil, I'll make the whole bits and whatever design. Okay, now here, just make don't make too wide. Yeah, I'll just make it little
Ma'am,
bit
can
less.
you side your paper?
Yes. Now it is okay. I'm going to go down with the same curve. Just join it. Then see outer curve. And this will be there are stones on this side here, small stones, and also inside it also the stones are there.
Ma'am, I'm not having enough space in mine for 4 levels.
Make 3 level. You don't have 4 level, make it 3 level. No problem. Done.
Ma'am, I've made the turban a little bit different according to my space. Is it fine?
Yeah, that is fine. Everyone knows how to draw Om? Or should I show? Simple way is first make the letter 3. In that the down part will be big, like 3 only. Just continue with the down part, go up and give a curve. So the number 3 first.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it compulsory to write that?
No, not compulsory. I can see here and I love it. That's why I'm drawing. If you don't want, don't do it. Yeah. And from outside, it is a closed curve and I'll make it double.
Can you see?
Yes. Give this curve more. Arohi. This curve should come like this. Inner curve. It's not an open one. Like this it will come. And a half on it with the dot. It's a half itself. The shape is one side pointed, one side little bit flat, and a circle.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes, Deepika. Yes, that is okay. Iraira, okay, it is okay. Yes, Amaira, Shumi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I'm not able to make that side cloth of Ganpati ji.
which one?
Ma'am,
This one?
no, ma'am, that dupatta type is there.
This one down.
Yes, ma'am.
Ear or ear, both sides. Okay. One second. Just from this on the top of the leg, just come down and make first the outer one. Okay, this is done. And from here, just follow in a slanting wise, come down. Got two arcs, one is here and one is here. Clear? Arish, go on mute. Huh? Yes, go down. And with the arc, just join it on the top. Second one is flat one. Again with the arc, join it on the knee. This is outer part and inside there is one. Done. This is one side.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, one second. If you feel this is wide, go a little bit inside and give a curve. Yes, Pragati. Where is one second? Pragati, very good. Dhruvi, very good. Yes. Arohi, very good. Shivani, excellent. Yes, Iraira.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Drizzling, this has not come properly. This side. It is coming down. You should have little bit outside. Right now I showed. It should come outside. Yes, Arish, show me yours. Vedika, Sparshya, this, Sanskriti. Show me, fast. Amaira, done?
Ma'am, can you please see mine?
Yeah. Kushi, this one, this flow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm not having that much space for making the Om, so where should I make?
Don't make. It is not compulsory. Kushi, this has to have a curve. It has come plain on the left hand side. It is coming down with a curve, like a leg. Yours, it has come down straight. You'll have to change this part. Okay?
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes. 1 second. Very good, Pankaj. Yes, Amira. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now everyone, just listen. We'll make the eye, and with the help of everyone has gel pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take your black pencil. It will do. Just don't this. Those who have gel pen will use the gel pen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we use our pencil colors?
Yes, black pencil color, but don't go outside. And you are not going to touch it afterwards. When you are coloring the face, you will be careful for that.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm having the black roller pen of black.
But it the tip is it should be a very fine tip should be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can use. Okay. Now with your gel pen, first outline the eyeball. Okay. I can see the white. I'll just show it. This side and this side.
Can I use this one?
Yes.
Can I use this one?
Yes, you can. Just see to it. Don't touch it. Once it is dry, then you can touch the page. Wherever it remains wet for long period as compared to the gel. There are two reflection. I have left two white. The other white is very small, but there is one. If I zoom it, it will come. And this one is one more here. Very good, Trisling. And on the top of it, eyelid, just make a dark. And for the eyebrow also, load it.
Ma'am, you have made the eyebrow with the gel pen?
Yes. The gel pen. Okay, this artwork should be done with watercolor or soft pastel.
Oh, this is watercolor.
Wait. Yeah, otherwise I'll decide. If you go like that, everyone decide, and everyone should be. If it is watercolor, then I'm not going to show you any pencil. This will load the watercolors. Otherwise, if it is soft pastel, then with the help of red pencil, you can load the Om and swastik also.
Have you soft pastel?
Ma'am, watercolor. Ma'am, we can use watercolor. Yeah, let's use watercolor.
Okay, here. Those who want watercolor, raise your hands. I can see everyone's this. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, 5 of them has raised for watercolors. What about others? Wait. Keep your hands raised only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are going to go with soft pastel. 7:5. So first with your yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I also want to go to soft pastel.
Okay, no problem. With your so when we are going to color it next time with the soft pastel, just take your red pencil color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have soft pastel, so can I use watercolors?
Shivani, bring this soft pastel. You can have the 20 shades on
Okay.
it because you'll experience the soft pastels also. In next class, there is compulsory you'll have to use the soft pastel. One is soft pastel, one is watercolor.
Okay, ma'am.
That
Ma'am,
is
next drawing
level.
I'll get.
Next level, no, not next drawing. For this drawing, just you can write 20 colors. It's not costly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, because yes, what happened? Somebody said
Ma'am, we have to do red in also swastik.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I've loaded on black itself because I just want to give the maroon shade. So what I did, wherever the pencil, I had made a double line for it. Already it was thick. So on top of that, I have merged the pencil black color with the red one to give a maroon shade. You can make it red by erasing the pencil this. I'm going to do this also. Give a curve outside, and everyone will share your sketch. Also for the tikka, sign your artwork. There are dots.